Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to uninstall RAV VPN from Windows quickly and easily so you can remove it completely from your system. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From there, click on Apps and then Apps and Features. This will show you a list of all installed programs on your PC. Scroll down or use the search bar to find RAV VPN in the list. Click on it, and you'll see an option to uninstall. Click Uninstall again to confirm your choice. Follow the on-screen prompts in the RAV VPN uninstaller. This will remove the program files from your computer. Make sure to close the VPN app before starting the uninstall process to avoid any errors. After the uninstallation is complete, it's a good idea to restart your computer. This ensures all related files and services are fully removed. Finally, check your system for leftover files. Go to C:"Program Files or C:"Program Files, open parenthesis x86 close parenthesis, and delete any remaining RAV VPN folders if they exist. You can also clean your temporary files using the Windows Disk Cleanup tool. By following these steps, you can completely uninstall RAV VPN from Windows and free up space on your PC. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.